Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add more pages to your Shopify store in 2023. So, as your business grows, you may need to expand your website to include like some additional content and informations. So in this video, I'll show you how to easily create a new pages on your Shopify store to keep your customers informed and engaged. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. For my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section, and simply you'll have to type here shopify.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, make sure to simply log in into your account or access your admin account if you have an account. If you don't, you can simply go and click on this start free trial to create an account for yourself. And if you don't know much about Shopify, you can scroll down, read more information about it, and then you can click on start free trial. You can even see the pricing from here, as example. So you can pause the video and see the price in here, and you can see all the features again. Pause the video to see all the features that you want here. So for me, I'm just going to log in into my account simply, or my store. Of course, you can always create new stores, but you will have just 3 days free trial until your store is disabled. So if you just created your store, you will have to finish the setup guide to set up your online store. As you can see, you'll have to add the first product, customize your online store, add pages to your store, organize your store navigation, add custom domain, and name your store. So as you can see, I am on the third option, which is add pages to your store, which is the idea of this video. So if you already did this and you want to even add more pages, you can simply go to your online store from here and click on customize. And as you can see from this homepage, you'll be able to add some pages, some sections, some a lot of stuff. So depending on whatever you want. So if you go here to settings, even you'll be able to change the logo, colors, typography, layout, animation. So as you can see, all of that you'll be able to change. In here, the app embedded, you'll be able to add some apps if you want to. So here, let's just go back to sections. And of course, from here, you'll be able even to edit code, edit default theme contents, view the documentation, and even get support if you want to. For example, if we scroll down here to the bottom, and as an example, I'm just going to hover this plus. As you can see, I'll be able to add a section. I'll be able to add a footer, depending on whatever I want. So as you can see, the sections is going to be here, but at the bottom, we'll find page. So click on page. And as you can see here, you'll be able to enter the page title, the heading size of it, the color scheme, the section padding, as you can see, so the top padding, etc., the bottom padding, the theme settings, the custom CSS if you want to change it, and it's going to be it. So just leave page. Not going to save. And as I said, if you just created your accounts, you will have to finish the setup guide. As an example, if you reach this add pages, you can simply go and click on add pages from here. And as you can see, so from here, you'll be able to add pages if you click add this pages at the top right corner. So click on it, click on add pages, and as you can see, you'll have to give the page a title. So simply go to this. I'm just going to name it tests. And the contents, you should simply here and write the title of this page. You can even insert some pages, some tables, some images, some videos. You can even clear the formatting if you add any formatting and you don't want them anymore. Here you'll be able to change the color of the text. Here's just the alignments, and of course you may know that already. You can even show the HTML if you want to go and type as HTML code, depending on whatever suits you. If you don't know like how to add HTML code, you can simply go and use like ChatGPT or something like that to help you create an HTML code if you want to create your page with HTML code. Maybe it's easier for you if you know how to code with HTML, or if you are just going to use like ChatGPT. So this may be helpful for you. So simply here, the contents is just gonna be as example products on this page. So I'm not even writing correctly. So as you can see, products here, and simply you can choose the theme of this page. So contacts or default page or something. So I'm just going to let it default page. You can even customize the templates of it. If you wanted to have it as visible, make sure to click on visible. If you want it hidden, click on hidden. So from here, I'm just going to click on save. And here we are. So now if we go to pages here at the bottom or our online store, so simply click on online store. And as you can see, if you click on pages, you'll find now two pages. We'll find the contact page that is added automatically with my theme and the test page that I just added. I can simply go here and click on view page and they will show me this page on my store. As you can see, I can even go to my online store and view your online store from here. And as you can see, you will find your store right here. You'll be able even to add or edit whatever you want. As we said, if you go here to online store and click on customize, you'll be able to edit whatever suits you from here on the home page. As you can see, so we have here our pages and etc. So as we said, we'll be able to add as many pages as we want by simply click on add page here. So your online store is password protected. You can even remove the password. So only visitors with the password can access your store. To let anyone browse and shop, remove the password. So I'm just going to remove it as an example. So you can let people access your things. So I'm just going to remove it. Click on save and we should be good to go. So of course, yeah, I cannot remove the password at the moment because I did not pick a plan yet. I'll have to go and pick a plan and then I'll be able to remove the password. So I'll just leave page. So here, as you can see, you will find even pages from here and you'll be able even to delete them if you want to. You'll be able to view as we said. So you can even see this depending on if it's hidden or visible. So if you have a lot of pages, this will help you if you want to look for like some specific pages. So that's going to be normally it. You'll simply have to customize your page URL, then even set the visibility and publishing options, and you can simply find and finally save everything, then go and customize any appearance that you want, then simply publish your store. You can add even a page to navigation menu, and after that you can preview everything if it's working correctly and test it. Then as I said, finally publish your pages and your store. You can from here as an example even add some themes if you want or choose some of those three themes that you can use on your store. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully added more pages to your Shopify store. So with these new pages, you can provide valuable information, showcase products, or share engaging content with your customers. So remember to keep your website organized and user-friendly by creating clear navigation paths. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. So thank you for watching and best of luck with expanding your Shopify store. And if you have any concerns, you can leave them down below in the comment section. I'll come back to them as soon as possible, or you can simply go and contact the support on Shopify. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.